Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn the inheritance in classes. So here we have a class person and we initialize the class and have a method print name there, and here the string function to get the object in string. And after that, if we create another class like student and we want to inherit another class in it, so we will inherit that person. And now this student class will be able to access all the properties and methods of our parent class person. So if you want to check it, then just create the object p1 and assign it to student. And here we just pass the names, first name and last name, first name and last name. So if I just print that object, you will going to see that we have not declared any first name or last name in our student class. And if I run that, you will going to see that name there in the terminal because it's accessing the properties of our person class. So now if we change something in our child class, like if we create a other init function in this, then what will going to happen is to inherit all the properties and methods of that class, we can use the init function in our child class and use that super function to get all the properties and method of our parent class. And now if we create another property there like self dot graduate year or graduation year and assign it to some year like 2019. And now if we create another function there like def and welcome was a self there, and after that just after that what we want is we want to print that welcome self dot first name and self dot last name, and now to the class of, and after that we will say that self dot graduation year. And now we have created another property there in our student class and another method there dot def welcome, another method there, and here we are printing welcome self dot first name last name and to the class of self dot graduation year. So now if I create an object and pass the year here, and now if I print that object, you will going to see it will going to call that welcome function. So here we just say welcome, and here it will going to print that, and it will inheriting that first name and last name from the parent class person here, the first name and last name, and the graduation year that we have declared that property in our student class. So if I run that, just save it and run it. So what is saying that takes three positional arguments. So let's check that here we have to just pause that year, and here just pause that year. So because we are declaring that year there, now if I run that, we will see welcome Junaid Malik to the class of 2019. So now this is how your inheritance work in your classes. So here when I passed that 2019 hard coded, I just have to declare a placeholder there in our initialization, a year. So that's why it's showing us an error, because we have the 2019 here also. So that's it guys for this video.